Want to ride a road with million-dollar views and cost $1 million per mile? Or that's the story, at least. The $1 Million Highway is a 25-mile section of the San Juan Skyway Scenic Byway, stretching from Silverton to Ouray, Colorado. It plows through the Uncompahgre Gorge with absolutely stunning mountain views that show Colorado at its best. But it can also be somewhat dangerous, with curves over steep cliffs with no guardrails. Think you're up for the challenge? Head over to the $1 Million Highway and find out.